Welcome back to 360 Virtual Autos, where the rubber meets the digital road. Today, we're revving up something special, something bold, something that roars with power and drips with style. Meet the Bumblecat, a 2020 Dodge Challenger SRT Redeye Hellcat that's not just a car, but a declaration of speed and sophistication, wrapped in a stunning yellow with black racing stripes. Underneath its hood, the beastly heart of a 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8 engine throbs, ready to unleash 797 horsepower. Dang, that big jump from our driver just now. With every curve and edge, the Bumblecat pays homage to the legacy of American muscle, while the black racing stripes across its body are not just design elements, they're a testament to its racing soul. Our driver is really making that cat jump. The Bumblecat redefines the essence of American muscle. Experience the blend of heritage and modern engineering that propels the Dodge Challenger SRT Redeye into being the king of muscle cars. Each iteration, including our 2020 SRT Redeye Hellcat, is a tribute to this legacy, evolving with time but never forgetting its roots. The Bumblecat stands as a modern titan, yet it carries the torch of its ancestors with pride, merging decades of automotive passion with today's pinnacle of engineering and design. The Dodge Challenger, a name synonymous with raw power and unbridled performance, has been a cornerstone of American muscle since its inception in the late 1960s. But the true magic of the Bumblecat unfolds the moment you slip inside. The cabin is a masterclass in custom luxury, with every inch echoing the car's vibrant exterior. Dive into the comments below and tell us which car you want us to feature next. Your request could possibly be the star of our next showcase. And if you've enjoyed the ride with the Bumblecat, don't forget to hit your like button, subscribe to 360 Virtual Autos, and share this video with fellow automotive aficionados. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep driving.